Okay, I think we are live. Hi everyone, this is Aditya Sharma. Let's get started in a few minutes. If you can, guys, if you can let me know in the chat box that you can hear me loud and clear, you can see me absolutely fine. That would be super helpful. And then we are going to start really, really soon. Okay, so I'll check it on my end if I am live on LinkedIn and YouTube. And if you can also let me know in the meantime, that would be super helpful. Okay, I'm checking it on my end. And guys, also let's start with a quick introduction. Please let me know where you're dialing in from. I'm currently based out of San Francisco Bay Area. Okay, give me 1 second. I have to log into my system. So, guys, please let me know if you can see me absolutely fine, if you can hear me loud and clear, and we will get started soon. Okay, guys, 1 second. You'll be able to see me really quick. I'm just logging it into my system. Almost there. Okay, perfect. Okay. So I'm still checking if let me see if I'm live, if anybody has confirmed. Okay, perfect. Thanks everyone for confirming. I see that my video has gone. Let me quickly get it back. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, cool, guys. Thank you so much for confirming. Again, just give me 1 second, and we will get started really, really soon. Again, I'm based out of San Francisco Bay Area. Let me know, guys, where are you located? Please let me know your location. And in the meantime, also let's give 2, 3 more minutes and allow everyone else to join. In the meantime, if you can quickly like the event, if you can repost it within your network, that would be superb so that we can have more and more people in this live learning session. Again, we are going to learn the fundamentals of AI agent, a hands-on session today. So we will be starting really, really soon. Okay, great. I can see a few people on LinkedIn. Perfect. Few on YouTube as well. Perfect, Akshay. Thanks for confirming. Thanks, Kanav, for continuously joining us. Subramaniam, thanks for confirming. Okay. And let's see where people are dialing in from. Again, I'll put my location in the chat box. I'm in Sunnyvale, Bay Area to be exact. And guys, were you able to try hands-on N10 in the last session as we discussed? So let me know if you are able to give a try to building your very first AI agent in N10. If not, or whatever challenges you faced, you can also let me know, and I will proceed accordingly. And those who volunteered to become an ambassador, um, please and I mean if you've got communication from us, that's great. If you have not received communication from us, please let me know in the chat box. Okay, and those who are here for the first time, again, we are here on a movement called AI for Everyone, where our objective is to upskill 100,000 people with AI skills. If you want to join us in this mission, feel free to let us know in the chat box. Just write ambassador, and we will invite you to our AI ambassador program, where you'll be helping us promoting the events, right? Helping us manage the community and basically building your brand on LinkedIn that you are actively involved in the AI sector and how you are helping to promote this particular movement. Okay, cool. Any question, guys, from the last session? How many of you are here for the first time? Just write first time. Okay, Omar from Minneapolis, current temperature 8 degrees. Saurabh Jawar, hey Saurabh, good to see you. Okay, Temiloluwa from Nigeria, Mahi Malik from Pakistan. Cool, so we have people from different places. Okay. Again, guys, how many of you are here for the first time? Just write in the chat box, first time. If you're a repeat user, just write repeat user so that I get to know, okay, uh, how, if I need to jump into like very basic details or if we can start a little bit advanced. Okay. Okay, I can see Dine, okay, saying me. Okay, first time. Mukul says repeat. Okay, how to become an ambassador. Okay, let me share a link in the chat box with everyone on how you can become an ambassador. So there is a Google form. Just fill out that form, and then my team will reach out to you. Will add you to our internal WhatsApp community, and we will share all of our upcoming strategies, plans, monthly meeting, right? So we'll keep you posted over there. Let me share the link of our ambassador program with everyone so that if you want to join it, just fill it out and then my team will reach out to you. Okay. So share. Okay. I'm just sharing the link in the chat box with everyone. So here is the link. If you want to apply to become an ambassador, okay, here is the link. I will also add it in the YouTube chat for everyone. Okay, just give me 1 minute. We are almost there, and then we are starting within the next 1 minute. Okay. Okay, I've also shared the link in chat box of YouTube. Okay, cool. So we are ready to get started. So hi everyone, I'm Aditya Sharma. Those who are here for the very first time, I come from the background of tech consulting at Deloitte and PwC. Worked at data. Worked on a lot of projects in data science, cloud implementation. My last company was High Counselor, where we helped almost 700 people land a job in the US in software engineering and data science roles. And now we are here with the AI for Everyone movement, where we help people who come from partial tech or non-tech background to build to help them understand AI skills, AI tools, and build AI agents. Every week we conduct sessions at 6 p.m. PST. Until now, we were doing only two sessions, Tuesday and Thursday. But now I have planned to do 5 sessions a week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, Sunday. So just Monday and Friday, we are not going to do the live learning sessions. But every other day, we'll do 30 to 40 minutes of quick sessions. Will cover very basic and fundamentals of AI agents, so that we'll start from basic, and in within next 3 to 4 months we'll reach at the very advanced level. Okay, so if you are someone who's very curious to learn about AI, how you can stay relevant in the market, this is an opportunity for you. Okay, you can join us. And today I think my video is lagging or something, but I hope you're able to hear me fine. Okay, so today we are going to learn building AI agents, and today we are specifically going to learn on how to use different chat models, how you can integrate them, because they are a very important part of your entire AI agent builder journey. Now, before we get started, I am currently, so we started this movement, and guys, companies have already started reaching out to me. And at this point, I'm working with almost six AI companies who are hiring for different AI engineer roles. If you've just started learning building AI agents, then definitely you won't qualify for those roles. But if you do qualify, just let me know and I'll be able to put you in the interview process. I'll share all the job openings with you. And if you don't qualify, but you know someone who might be a good fit for that role, then you can also refer those people. We provide $2,000 as a referral bonus. Okay. Now, the latest opportunity that I have with me right now, let me share my screen and I can explain on that. Give me 1 second. I'll share my screen really quick here. Okay, so you should be able to see my screen now. Okay, so uh, right now, I think I mentioned it last time that I was helping a few companies in the Bay Area. So but the latest opportunity that I have is with AT&T. Okay, AT&T, it's a telecom company everybody knows in the US. I'm helping them hire AI engineers. Okay, and I'm helping them hire almost 60 to 80 AI engineers in the next 1 year. Okay. 60 to 80 AI engineers in the next 1 year. And in the next 1 month, my objective in January and February, I'm helping them hire around 5 AI engineers. Okay. Now, what are the skill sets required for it? So, you need to be a full stack developer, right? So that means you need to have a knowledge of both front end and back end, and you also need to have experience building AI agents or LLM based end to end product. Okay. Now, as I said, that if you're still in your journey early to building AI agents, building AI product, this job may not be a good fit for you. But if you know someone, you can always let me know. Location of this position is Atlanta and Dallas, and uh, we are sponsoring visa. So visa sponsorship is available. Okay, and the compensation is very good. Again, it depends on how much experience you have, but the experience that is required is between 3 to 8 years of experience in the US, with at least 2 to 3 years of experience building AI products. Again, if you know anyone, I will share the link, or you can simply reach out to me on LinkedIn, share their LinkedIn profile. If your referral gets hired, we'll provide you $2,000 referral fees. Okay. So, and again, guys, this job is a clear example that there is a huge demand of AI engineers, right? So, must gain these AI skills. And this is one job. Right now, I'm currently working with at least 10 companies across the US that are hiring for AI engineers, AI product managers, AI business analysts, right? So, whatever role you are in, you must learn AI skills. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to our learning session. Okay. As I said, guys, from this week onward, we are going to have multiple sessions every week. So we're going to have 4 to 5 sessions every single week in which we are going to teach you AI, right? And we'll keep every session to just 30 to 40 minutes so that we are not bored and we learn concepts and we actually implement it. You can simply go to my events page. I'll share the link with you. Okay. So this is my events page. You can simply go here and all the sessions are live. Or the best way is you simply go to our YouTube channel, which is AI for Everyone Aditya. Every day except Monday and Friday, we will be live on our YouTube channel. So you can simply go to our YouTube channel and you can come to this live section. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, guys, make sure to subscribe it. We do amazing podcasts and we do all the live sessions over here, so you won't miss any of the sessions. This session is also live on YouTube. I think we have most of the people sitting on LinkedIn. I would highly recommend you to come to our YouTube channel, subscribe it, and every day 6 p.m. Pacific time, just come here and we'll start learning. Okay. Cool. Let me share the link with everyone in chat on LinkedIn as well. Okay. Make sure to join our YouTube channel. And again, I'm putting here on the screen as well for everyone. Let me just add it over here. So I'll put a banner on screen every day except Monday and Friday, 6 p.m. PST every day except Monday and Friday. Okay, perfect. So now let me share my screen and we will go through our learning session. Okay, so guys, last time, those of you who remember or who joined us in the last session, and again, if you are here for the first time, I'll try to make it super easy for you. Okay, so we started learning to build AI agents. Okay, let me quickly check if there are any comments coming in that I'm not aware of. Let me quickly check. Okay, cool. And guys, make sure to join the YouTube channel. Okay, so uh, last time we started building AI agents in n8n. So those who are here for the first time, if you have zero coding, zero programming background, you can still build AI agents using a lot of platform that allow this capability to build AI agents with absolutely zero code with just drag and drop method, right? One platform that we utilize is n8n.io. Again, we are not sponsored by this platform or anything, but we just personally love this platform because it makes building AI agents super simple. Okay. So you go to simple this platform, you click on get started, create your free account, and you're on. Okay. Once you create your account, you will land into something that looks like this. Okay. Let me go to the home page. So when you create your account, you land on something like this, and then you click on create workflow to create your first AI agent. When you click on create workflow, you land on the blank canvas. And now you are here, you can create any level of complexity of AI agent. We are starting from very, very scratch. Last time we covered triggers. Okay. Trigger is nothing but to start an AI agent. Today we are going to learn about a very, very important node. That node is called AI agent. I'll select the AI agent and this node looks something like this. Okay. So this particular node is called AI agent. Now, in this node, let's try to understand each and every node at a high level first, and then we'll jump into details of it. Okay. And again, guys, if you are able to hear me loud and clear, see, today my colleague Amit is not here with me. So I'm not sure if you are able to see me, but just let me know that everything is all cool and is all good. Okay, so I don't see any comment that you can't hear me or anything. So I'm assuming that everything is all good. Okay, so this is the AI agent. Now, what are the important component of AI agent? So in AI agent, you give the command over here. It utilizes its brain to analyze your query. It utilizes its memory to remember what is asked in the entire conversation, and it utilizes tool to take a particular action on your behalf. What is that action? Sending an email to someone, updating a Slack, updating an Airtable, doing any task, going on Amazon and do shopping for you. And this is to get the output. Okay. Now, in this AI agent, let's understand this first node really, really well. Okay. So, here, as you can see, chat model. What is a chat model? So, AI agents are just like humans that have brain. Okay. What do you mean by that it has brain? So every AI agent has a small brain with it, and this brain allow AI agent to analyze a different query. And that brain is nothing but any kind of large language model. What is a large language model? Large language model can be OpenAI's ChatGPT. Everybody use ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT is nothing but an OpenAI large language model. So you can either add OpenAI's chat model, or you can use Google Gemini chat model, or you can use Anthropic's chat model. Similarly, there are many, many other chat models. The most common one is Open AI chat model. When you click on Open AI chat model, then Today we are going to understand how to integrate it. Last time when I clicked on it and I showed, okay, now OpenAI chat node is over here. But a lot of you do not know how to integrate it. So I'll show you how to integrate it. When I double click on it, the very first thing you can see credentials to connect with. Okay, first you need to connect your OpenAI account over here. Then only you will be able to use the chat model. So click on this drop down, click on create new credentials. My account is already connected. That's why you see my account is already connected over here. I don't need to connect it every single time I create an AI agent. So you just need to integrate your OpenAI account only once, just one time. Okay. Then you click on create new credentials. When you click on create new credentials, here you need to enter your API key to integrate your OpenAI account. Now you will say, Aditya, how will I get my API key? Okay, so to find your API key, you need to go on a website called portal.openai.com. I think it is portal.openai.com. Okay, it's not giving me. So let's see. Let's search OpenAI API key. When you go to OpenAI API key, it is called platform.openai.com. Sorry, guys, my bad. So you simply search platform.openai.com. Simply go to this platform. When you go to this platform, it will ask you to log in into your chat GPT account. So simply enter your email ID and password, and you will be logged in into your OpenAI uh, platform.openai.com account. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have multiple API keys already created over here. You cannot see my secret key, but for different projects, I've created different keys, right? Because I want to make sure that, okay, from one particular key, I don't spend more than X amount of dollars, right? So when you're creating your key, when you need to integrate your OpenAI account for the first time over here, da-da-da, in your NTN, right? We need to add our OpenAI API key. You go to platform.openai.com, simply click on this login to log in your account. Okay. So I'll simply add my email ID password. I'll be logged into my account. And then when I'll reach here, simply click on create new secret key. When you click on create new secret key button, it will give you a pop-up and it will ask you what is your secret key. Like just give it a name, right? So I'll say like test project. Okay. And then you can select like whatever project that you want. If you are creating it for the first time, it will give you, okay, which project are you creating? Permission, you want to give it a restricted all, just I would say select all and then click on create secret key. I won't click on create secret key because if I click on create secret key, it will show you my OpenAI account secret key, which I don't want you to see, right? Everybody will be able to use it. So you have to keep it very confidential. Okay. Once you click on that, you will be able to see your OpenAI secret key over here. Now, it is very important, guys, that you copy your secret key when you create it because now I cannot copy my secret key. It is created, it is created. Okay. So you copy your secret key, come to your NTN and simply paste your OpenAI secret key over here. When you click on it and then simply click on save, your OpenAI account will be integrated. Okay. When you integrate your OpenAI account, I would highly recommend you to rename this because you will be creating multiple, like you will be integrating your multiple secret keys for from your OpenAI account. So name it like whatever YouTube project or whatever. It will just help you remember, okay, that this API key is for this purpose. Click on save. My API key was not correct. That's why it says could not connect with these settings because this API key was incorrect, right? But once when you enter the right API key, you'll see connection successful and you will be able to see your OpenAI account integrated over here, just like I have it over here. Okay. So suppose this account I select, which is already integrated. Okay. And now if I say hi over here and send it, can you see this is running and then there is a green tick? That means my OpenAI account has been successfully integrated over here. If you If I select the account which was not properly integrated, right? YouTube project which I just created, and if I go back and then if I say hello and I try to run it, can you see there is a red signal? What does it mean? That means my OpenAI account was not successfully integrated over here. And I need to again go back, click on this edit button, and write the right API key. And you will find your API key in your platform.openai.com. This is how you integrate your OpenAI account here in n8n. And this is the most important step because any AI agent you create, you need to give a brain to your AI agent. And then there is like it's non-negotiable. You need to give a brain. Now you can give either an OpenAI's brain, as I told you, or you can give another brain like Google Gemini. So search Google Gemini chat model, click on it. Same thing. It will ask you to integrate your Google Gemini account. I've already integrated four of my Google Gemini account over here. But if you have to create integrate your account for the very first time, you'll simply click on create new credentials and you will again need to enter your API key. How will you find your API key for Google Gemini? Simply search Google Gemini API key and simply go to this first link from Google using Google Gemini API keys. And in the same manner, create or view a Gemini API key. I will not click on it so because you will be able to see it. Otherwise, just click on this and create your API key in the similar manner as we created in the OpenAI account. Once you create your OpenAI Google Gemini API key, simply paste it over here as I'm just writing anything right now. Click on save. Your Google Gemini account will be integrated. My API key was not correct, so that's why it is not connecting. Okay. But when my API key is correct, for example, in the previous, I've not used them for the last few days, but let's say I select one of my account where I added the right key and I simply say hello to my AI agent and it's not working. That means it was not integrated properly. Let me check my if my any other account that I integrated, if that was integrated properly. So I again say hi. This is also not working. Let's check another one. I'll go back. I'll say again hello. This is also not working. So check one more. And then this is also not working. That means all the account that I integrated, my API key has expired or I have reached the balance limit. Okay. But again, I can go to simply this in the same manner to this account, click on this create new API key and add my API key back over here and I can make it work. Similarly, you can add Anthropic's cloud chat model over here as well in the very same manner. Okay. So this is how you integrate a chat model to your AI agent. And this is super important. Okay. I want you to try this today at home. Integrate your OpenAI account, integrate your Google Gemini account, run it. Make sure you get a green tick on your Gemini over here and OpenAI Chat GPT, and then we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. Pacific time, same time, we will be live again. We will be doing another the next part of it will cover another concept on building AI agents, very, very basic concept so that you guys can move ahead. Okay. Try this out. Let me know what challenges you face. Whatever challenge you face, we'll solve it tomorrow. If you have any question at this point in time, just let me know in the chat box. And now we'll take Q&A. Okay. Let's see what questions you have. Okay. Okay. There are a lot of comments. Let me take them one by one. Okay. Again, guys, tomorrow again we will be live at the same time. Okay. So make sure to be here and we'll take questions. Just add your questions and I'll answer your questions related to this. Okay, okay. What else? Got it. Okay. So, it is N10. Gemini model is free now. Yes, Gemini model is free, but again, not like when you start building AI agents, you will identify that for some of the AI agents, Google Gemini is great, but for some of the AI agent, you need to use OpenAI chat model as well because Google Gemini model is not as quick sometimes, or it doesn't provide great answers in some particular situations, right? So OpenAI has its own advantages as well as Gemini has its own advantages. Okay. Uh, LinkedIn user says Gemini 3. You can select any of the OpenAI model. It can be Gemini 3. There are a list of models, whichever you want to use. You can select all of those. Okay, after free trial, there are a bunch of plans. Okay, cool. Aditya, Together AI is much easier to switch between models using same API. I mean, yeah, we can use Together AI as well. Angelo, is it only one API key per agent? No, no. So, Angelo, you create API key only once and then you can use that particular integration in almost all of your agents. But if you want to track, okay, which agent is consuming how much credits or dollar amount, then I would recommend you to create new API key for different agents so that you can track the cost. Okay. Gemini 3 is free for developers. I mean, Google Gemini Node is free in N10 as well. This is done. No challenges faced as of now. Can we see recording of these sessions in YouTube? Yes. If you have not joined the YouTube channel, guys, please make sure to join YouTube channel because on LinkedIn, I may not be able to update you every single time. Every day except Monday and Friday, we will be live on our LinkedIn account or on our YouTube, on our YouTube channel. So make sure be there 6 p.m. Pacific time. Make sure to subscribe it. Okay. The next question, let's see, what is the next question? Da, 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 da. Can we do, okay, I missed Gemini 3 events. No worries, we'll cover it. Is it only one API per AI agent? As I said, no, it is not one API per AI agent. You can use either one or you can create separate ones as well. Any other question, guys, that I can answer for you? Or we'll meet tomorrow with the next steps of building AI agents. Again, my objective is that we invite a lot of people, we upskill a lot of people in AI agents. And now, instead of just doing 2 sessions a week, we will be doing 5 sessions a week. Okay. And small sessions, we are not going to stretch it for like 1 hour, 1.5 hour, but we'll keep it to 30 minutes. Tomorrow, we'll try to even start just in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we'll cover a good session, we'll take questions, we'll move on. And guys, make sure to try it at home because if you don't try it by yourself, you'll always feel challenged. I'm struggling with multi-model agent performance. Will there be any course? Yes. So, guys, we are talking about course. We have come up with. Guys, oh, you've booked it? Okay, for 2 minutes. Okay, guys, just give me 1 second. Give him 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so you can come instead. Okay. Okay, guys, so we'll meet tomorrow and we'll get started tomorrow at 6 p.m. PST. And I'll also tell you about our new AI training program, which is going to start from January 5th. I'll tell you about it tomorrow. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Join right over here. See you.